It ain't my fault.
Shut up. It is your fault. You just changing me into Louise Belcher. Look at me.
I didn't do that.
Yes, you did.
What the heck is going on?
Lester changed me into Louise Belcher.
He did what?
No, she's lying.
Didn't I tell you not to do that? Why the heck did you change her into Louise Belcher? I know you did it, Lester.
What?
Yeah, you changed me into Louise Belcher. Now look what you just did, you little hypocrite. Dishwasher, are you ready to beat him down? 'Cause I'm ready too.
What? No. You're the one you keep annoying at me.
Matter of fact, stop it right now.
Gosh.
You guys wrote me into a crazy world of things that y'all being and arguing all over it. I know good killer marker cheap chicken neck beef tailbone, well you change her into Louise Belcher. Did Charlie give a superpower for you?
No.
'Cause I know the heck I didn't.
But you guys leave me no choice. This is my organization. But y'all are douchebags. You know what, Dish? I ain't saying sorry for y'all.
Where the skunk you say to me.
Lester, stop calling us a douchebags.
No. I call both of you.
You know what? You.
Me.
I'ma give you some to mad about.
Oh my god. Let's do this.
Kelly, you want me to take yours off?
What? No, it's fine, but I might leave it on.
Are you kidding? I mean, what the skunk happened to you?
Well, Lester changed me into Louise Belcher.
He's dead.
I know he's dead. Wasn't that silly?
Nope, we're not being silly. Just in time.